Hey, little sweetie, who are you? I'm just a fruit salad. Always make sure you clean your fruit and all produce. I like to hold it in my hand and do it single-handedly and then just put it in here and give it an extra rinse. For this quick and easy fruit salad, you're going to need some fruit. I have grapes, strawberries, banana, apple, and you want to get a sweet variety of apple. You don't want the green apples that are sour. You want something on the sweeter side, as sweet as you could get. I have an orange, and then the only thing that I'm going to use that is canned is this right here. This is pineapple chunks. I'm not using the juice. Make sure you try to get most of the juice out. Give it a good strain. You're going to need some Cool Whip. I normally get the sugar-free. It has a sugar substitute. They didn't have that on hand, but this is an extra creamy Cool Whip. I thought I'd give it a whirl. You could use the regular Cool Whip. You could use the fat-free Cool Whip. You could do whatever you like as far as what Cool Whip you want to use, as long as it's Cool Whip. You're going to need some ground cinnamon. For the orange, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a slice. Get all of that out. And I think it'll be better if I give it another slice. And then I'm just going to slice it like that so there's no skin on the orange. I gave this a rinse because I don't want my other fruit getting too wet, because we already have a bit of that juice from the orange in the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and put the pineapple in and kind of grab it with my hand because I don't want too much of the juice in there. The grapes are going in whole. I think that's about enough. Ripe, but not overripe strawberries. Give them a slice. We're just going to slice these up. And these are going in just like this. Peel your apple. You just want to avoid the middle of the apple. Set it aside. And just cut your apple chunks almost the same size as your pineapple chunks. You want a ripe banana, but not too ripe to where it loses the firmness, because you don't want it to mush up in your salad. Just put your banana in here. This is optional. My grandmother and my mother used to sprinkle some sugar in here. A pinch goes a long ways, just to bring out that sweetness. I'm going to be using this no-calorie stevia. I'm not going to use much. I'm just going to sprinkle some in. I'm not going to use the whole package. Just sprinkle a bit on top. Now for the Cool Whip. You get it in the frozen department, so you do want to let it thaw to where it's not warm, but you don't want it to be hard to work with. I'm going to take the whole tub and see if that's enough. Place it in here. Give it a mix by folding it and just moving it around a bit. Cover your fruit salad with some saran wrap, or if your bowl has a lid, toss that on there. You're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it chill, or you could put it in the freezer, but keep an eye on it. You do not want it to harden up. You just want it to be chilled. So you could put it in the freezer for probably about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. I picked this up at the store, at the dollar store. I thought I would give it a whirl because it comes with 4 different attachments, and I just thought, you know what? Why not? So I have some more Cool Whip here, and I'm just going to open this up. And toss it in, pushing everything towards the bottom of the bag. I'm gonna set this in the freezer for a few minutes, not too long, but I just wanna chill it and get it a little bit firmer so it's easier to work with. Everything's nice and chilled. You wanna chill your fruit salad so it just sets and it's a bit firmer, but you do not wanna freeze it. You just want it nice and chilled, ready to serve. I'm gonna get some, put it in my dish. I think that looks nice. You can leave it like that as is, or you could top it off with a little bit more whipped cream. Just a bit of garnish, why not? Let's see where we want to put this, okay? Put it on this side. Just a touch of cinnamon. Not too much. This isn't so bad. Whipped cream is naturally low in calorie. You could even get the light one, the sugar-free or the fat-free. And you have all your fruit in here. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge as quickly as possible because this is gonna be my breakfast or my dessert for the next couple of days. So let's get this in the refrigerator. This tastes amazing, especially on those hot summer days. But you could enjoy it any time of the year. Try it out, you're gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next video.